All right, guys, so this is the strategy. Step one, learn the principles of affiliate marketing, which is traffic, trust, and conversions. The only three things you need to know. Keep your business simple. There's no need to overcomplicate this. Too many people do it, all right? Step two, pick a category that you're interested in, and then pick a niche. And inside that niche, pick a specific topic inside of there so you're not going to worry about any competition, okay? Step three, pick a platform. Do you want to do free traffic or paid traffic? Do you have more time than money or more money than time? If you have more time than money, do free. If you have more money than time, do paid. And then pick one platform, okay? So whether that's YouTube, blogging, Quora, forums, social media, or paid traffic, search ads, Facebook ads, solo ads, native ads, influencers, doesn't matter, right? Once you do that, you want to consistently put out content, consistently learn how to get traffic from those platforms. So if you're doing YouTube, your next goal should learn how to start getting views, how to start getting traffic from YouTube. If you're doing Quora, your next goal should be, how can I start getting traffic from Quora? Start learning about the platform, right? And then after you do that, you're going to go to step four, which is building your lead generation funnel. So having some type of good lead magnet, something you can give away for free in exchange for their email address. So you're basically just building a landing page to a bridge page to the affiliate offer. So building out that three steps. So once you get your platform done, you figure out how to get traffic, then your focus should be, okay, how can I build a good lead generation funnel? How can I make it convert high? What's the best way to do this? Start learning about that, right? I have all kinds of videos on my channel about that. And then step five is to build your follow-up funnel. So after you do the lead generation funnel, start learning about email marketing, start learning about copywriting, how to provide value to people, how to earn their trust, how to do all these crazy things to get them to buy your product and actually get them to show them that you can help them. Your product is going to help benefit their life, help fulfill the desire they have, or help solve a problem that they have, right? So those are the 5 steps to making a full-time income with affiliate marketing. So now, guys, you have the knowledge.
Digital marketing success takes a certain type of zest. Save your money on the courses and your time on the apps. I got Builderall for that. I'm just bringing the facts, all the tools you need to flourish. Set your business up fast. All in one platform, professional system to keep you in the rhythm. Any angle you could ask for, whether here or there, down to help because we pair. Entrepreneurs, designers, and software engineers, plus marketers, assistants, so solutions we can share. Efficient, make your money, be successful everywhere, anywhere, skyrocketing. Time to rack the profits and build or scale your business till you own a dozen offices. This is Builderall, turn you to a rock star. Operate it all from a single dashboard. When you wanna expand and can't chill at all, you workaholics better head over to Builderall. I know you wanna bear witness. $1 million ideas manifested to a business with the quickness. Stop, look, listen. Builderall is the tool to help complete your vision. Yeah, we got everything to help you get up on the move. Create websites, blog sales, funnels too. Customers flock fast, and you gaining contacts. Automate the process, business ready for combat. These sleek visuals, 3D, digital, edit neat videos. Builderall really goes, and we know what you need to succeed. Set it up, get your store online so you can breathe. The most complete, easy to use digital platform. Here to help you make it rain heavy like a bad storm. Your store was a dream, let us help your pocket sing. The best tool for your digital marketing. Builderall. This is Builderall, turn you to a rock star. Operate it all from a single dashboard. When you wanna expand and can't chill at all, you workaholics better head over to Builderall. I know you wanna bear witness. $1 million ideas manifested to a business with the quickness. Stop, look, listen. Builderall is the tool to help complete your vision. Sales funnels to the clients, moving rapid, watch the feedback. Expedite the process. Builderall, you need that. You want the new, want the fast and efficient. Builderall has all that ready, you can't dismiss it. CDN servers run the sites in a flash. Vast array of templates if you're too polite to ask. Just a quick check-in, be omnipresent. Run the ad, make the sales, now you breaking records. So you wanna turn heads with your online presence. Builderall is the way to go, no second guesses. Save yourself time from trying to do it all solo. Builderall, full of great minds to make you more dough. This is Builderall, turn you to a rock star. Operate it all from a single dashboard. When you wanna expand and can't chill at all, you workaholics better head over to Builderall. I know you wanna bear witness. $1 million ideas manifested to a business with the quickness. Stop, look, listen. Builderall is the tool to help complete your vision.
Builderallrockstar.com. Open your mind to the impossible. Sometimes you find the truth, and this is what you do.
Builderall is our most complete and affordable digital marketing platform out there, don't you think? Go to the website and see
Builderallrockstar.com. 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 Builderallrockstar.com.